Wow, it's hard to believe that we're already at Unit 4. Much of the focus in this unit has to do with war, and how human beings react differently when put under the stress of war. The bulk of the unit will be spent reading Sophocles' play Antigone, which remains one of the most anthologized of all Greek plays. I think we're still reading this play 2,500 years later because it touches a nerve in all of us, asking us to consider what we would do if we had to obey a law that we thought was immoral. As you read the play, try not to get too caught up in worrying about pronunciations. If it helps you to assign nicknames in your mind, using Annie, for instance, instead of Antigone, then do so. Instead, try to focus on what the characters are saying as they justify their actions. At the end of the unit, we'll be working on MLA documentation of sources as well. It's a very important topic, one that will be crucial as you start now thinking ahead to English 101. Anyway, we're at Unit 4, just one more unit after this to go, so hang in there. You're almost home.